and welcome to Lety Does Tech Badly for the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Let's hope I don't fuck this one up this time. Anyways, so I did my unboxing for my Galaxy S10 Plus last week, and I was supposed to do this video right after, but TLDR, I had a bunch of IRL stuff come up and I just couldn't do it at the time. So this is the soonest that I'm getting to it. Anyways, so these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and they are the successor to the Samsung Gear Icon X. And to me, it feels like they are trying to bring this to their Galaxy line of products. So it feels like they're confident in what they have going on right now, and they're trying to consider this one of their flagship products since they're confident in what they have now. So usually this retails for $130, but I actually got it for free with the pre-order of my S10. And it's available in white because, I don't know, I guess they made too many and they wanted to clear inventory. But yeah, when I bought the S9, they gave me black, which I greatly prefer to the white, but it's free, so I'm not complaining. So now let's go ahead and open these up. So we got two little strips of tape. I try to switch up what I use to destroy these boxes with every unboxing, so it was scissors this time. Just kidding, I won't do that. That's dangerous. Okay. So this one doesn't have a ridiculously tight box like the other things I've gotten recently. This was really jammed in there though. So, oh dang. Not as tight as I thought it was! What? And there's the unboxing portion of this. Okay, what I was going to say was that right off the bat, you can tell just how much smaller this is than the Gear Icon X, but more on that in a moment. Let's see what we got here. So, oh, shit, I'm just dropping everything, aren't I? Why are these just loosely in here? After unboxing my S10 Plus, I am disappointed with these packagings. The little ear thingies were packaged much nicer in the S10 box. I don't like this loose stuff. That's it in this little box. So, we have some, did I lose one? No. Of these, there you go, ear pads. We have these wing thingies, so these are the large ones, and these are the small ones. No. Yes? How small do they get? These aren't even wings. They don't even have little wing thingies on them. They're just a circle. Anyway, these have the wings though. But yeah, so we have a smaller one and a larger one, because by default these come with mediums. And then, ooh, okay, that was kind of tight. We have the cable, USB-C. Presumably these are only, yeah, USB 2.0, because I don't think they would, you know, throw a lot of fancy tech into that. And, oh yeah, right. Set that aside. Huh. Oh, I broke the box. It's okay. Come on. That's it? No. Oh yeah. So there's a quick start guide right here. Oh, what's the thing officially called? They're called earbuds. I forgot the name. Yeah. And what's this one? Terms and conditions, health and safety information. Might need the quick start guide. Definitely don't need that. So I'll stick this back in the little box thingy. If I can, I don't know. I'm not impressed with this packaging. Not after the S10 Plus, that is. Maybe this packaging was once acceptable, but now it just leaves me disappointed. Alright, and then that, oh wait, no, not that. That is what would come inside of your buds box. Anyway, on to the device. So, as I already mentioned, you can see that this is significantly smaller than last year's Icon X. The case itself is much smaller, if you want to do that little comparison. And it's much easier to keep in your pocket now, and that's a big reason of why I didn't super use my Icon X, you know, outside, out and about and stuff, because they were just a little too big to comfortably take with me. Alright, and then before I open this up, so Samsung said that they had made this much easier to pair with Bluetooth, and there should be no fiddling around with Bluetooth settings or whatever. So I have my S10 here, so let's give that a try. Oh shit. Okay, just like that, it is synced. Okay, and this is also the new Samsung Gear app. So it's been updated for One UI, and as you can see, it's more in line with material design, which is nice. So what I wanted to draw attention to real quick was the touchpad settings. So this here, the touchpad is not as customizable as the Icon X. So last year, basically, the touchpad was kind of like an all-purpose button. You know, swipe up for louder, swipe down for softer, quieter volume, and series of other commands that you could want. But that's just one of the trade-offs of having the smaller design. So basically, this year, you can only map one command to each earbud, or you can use both of them as volume controls, but you can't do multiple commands. So say I wanted to have my right earbud be long press for volume up, and my left earbud would be long press for volume down. But if I map it like that, I would have no way to use Google Assistant, which means that I just cannot talk to my smart assistant, and that kind of sucks. So yeah, that's a little unfortunate. So another thing that was pretty unfortunate as well is ambient sound. You can no longer long press for ambient sound, or at least you can't trigger it. So basically now you can press it and it will be ambient sound so long as you are holding the button down, but as soon as you let go, ambient sound isn't on anymore. So you just kind of have to stand there awkwardly with your finger to your ear if you want to use ambient sound. And that is about it for the new settings. So I'm gonna go over the device, but first I am going to change into the smallest earbuds and wingtips because I got baby bitch ears. So let me do that real quick.
Do it.
Do it. Do it. Come on. Did I get it? Oh, I think I got it. All right, so as you can see, the buds themselves are a lot smaller than the Icon X, which is amazing because, as I said, you know, I have small ears, and the old ones were just a little too heavy for me to use for long periods of time. So they don't have a wing for this one, but I think that's fine because this one feels a lot better, I think. You know, I won't entirely know like how long it'll take these to make me uncomfortable, but with these it would like really start to hurt after about an hour or so, just because like it was still too big for my ear, you know, and it felt like it was stretching my ear apart. So these feel better. And I mean, compared to the Icon X, you know, here we go. So you can see, ah, la la la. These are so big. They're a lot more discreet, in comparison, you know, except for the fact that these are white, but, you know, they're free, so I'm not really gonna complain. So another limitation of the smaller form factor is the loss of IP68 protection. So the Galaxy Buds are no longer water and dust proof like last year's Icon X. And that basically means the dust will get into them, and that it only has a water protection rating of 2. So it can stand some raindrops, like hitting it at an angle, but that's about it. It's kind of annoying if you want to like use these for working out, because it's basically in 0 way sweat proof, so you would be at risk of ruining your device. Anyway, so the Galaxy Buds are advertised to come with 6 hours of battery life. Yeah, it says right there, 6 hours of battery life. And it says that it has a 7-hour charging case. So it should give you 1 full charge and maybe a little extra. But the coolest feature about the new device is that it supports wireless charging. Now, I could show you guys how this looks on a cheap pad, but the real fun is when you use your Galaxy S10's power share to charge it. So let me go to my settings real quick. Let me toggle wireless power share. Okay, and then let me whoop, and ta-da! You guys saw the light. Look at the light. It didn't make a noise, but look at the light. I can't point it up towards you. Aha! I know how to do it. Ta-da! It's charging. That was anticlimactic, but yeah, you could charge it with your phone. Ooh, and you can spin it while charging it. Yeah, I don't really see like this coming into use for me all that often, because, you know, I'm at home a lot and I have like a charging pad. Like, I mean, I guess in a pinch this would be pretty useful, but yeah, for me, pretty good, but it is nice to know that the feature is there. So yeah, I think for that is about it. I'm going to try to use it the next couple of days and see how I like it. Hopefully it's more comfortable than the Icon X, and I can come back to you guys with some, you know, good results with my thoughts and stuff. And stay tuned, because I am going to be doing another Tech Badly. I'm going to be finishing up my phone, and I'm going to be putting a screen protector on it as well. And other than that, I think that is about it. So, get out there, do all the stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I didn't change this one back yet, but the device themselves are a lot smaller than the Icon X. Woo! It's okay. It's okay. Don't judge me, dog. Fuck you, dog.